If you've got a Steam gift card, a wallet code, or a product key and you're not sure where to enter it, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'm going to show you the easiest way to redeem a code on Steam, whether it's for a game, store credit, or a digital key from a third-party site. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's cover the standard method for redeeming a product key through the Steam client on your computer. Open the Steam application on your PC and make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue. This is important because once a code is redeemed, it usually goes directly to that account and can't be moved to another one. At the very top of the Steam window, click the Games menu. A drop-down will appear with a few different options. From that menu, choose Activate a Product on Steam. This is the option you want when you have a game code, software key, or other product key that needs to be added to your library. A setup window will open with some on-screen instructions. Click Next to continue, then click You'd agree to accept Steam's terms and conditions. Steam will now take you to the code entry screen. In the product code box, carefully type or paste your code. Make sure there are no extra spaces, missing characters, or typos because even one wrong letter or number can cause the code to fail. Once the code is entered correctly, click Confirm. Steam will check the code, and if it's valid, it will add the product directly to your account. After that, you should see a confirmation message letting you know the redemption was successful. At that point, the game or product should appear in your library, ready to download or install. Now let's go over the second method, which is for Steam gift cards or wallet codes. If your goal is to add money to your Steam wallet rather than redeem a specific game, this is the method you'll use. Start by clicking your profile name in the top right corner of Steam. A menu will open, and from there, select Account Details. On the account page, look for the option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Click that, and on the next screen, you'll see different wallet funding options. On the right-hand side, select Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. This is the option specifically designed for gift cards and wallet codes. Now, enter your code exactly as shown and click Continue. Steam will verify the code, and if everything is correct, the balance will be added to your Steam wallet. This is useful if you want to buy games later instead of redeeming a single title right away. If your code came from a physical card, take a moment to scratch off the back carefully and make sure the code is fully visible before typing it in. If it came from an email or digital purchase, double check that you copied the full code without missing any characters. A lot of redemption issues happen just because one character was left out or confused with another, like a 0 and the letter O. If Steam gives you an error, don't panic. First, recheck the code for typing mistakes. Then make sure you're using the right redemption method because a product key and a wallet code are not always entered in the same place. Also, confirm that the code hasn't already been redeemed on another account, since many keys can only be used once. One more tip: if you're redeeming a code from a third-party seller, always make sure the seller is trustworthy. Invalid or previously used keys can sometimes happen, so it's better to buy from reliable sources whenever possible. That helps you avoid problems and keeps your account secure. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem a code on Steam using either the Steam client or the wallet code section. Whether you're activating a game or adding funds to your account, the process is quick once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else on Steam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.